How do I zoom? What? I can't hear this. And there's no volume control. There's nowhere to put earphones. Now, where is that assistant button? I need help. I can't figure it out. Where do I put my bags?
This is Ross. He is 65 years old and just missed his flight because of the confusing and multiple kiosks. He is not the most tech-savvy individual. In this new world filled with automation, how are companies adapting for people like Ross? Hi, we're RAS, and we're a design company that's focused on improving airport kiosks.
For this project, we noticed that throughout the check-in process, there were a lot of kiosks involved. To facilitate that process, we wanted to create a one-stop kiosk.
A study conducted by the Airport Cooperative Research Program states that the airports still have a long way to go when it comes to accommodating seniors. After conducting interviews, they noticed that majority of the seniors found it difficult to operate the airport kiosks. Kiosks are not universal between airlines and lack the tools that cater to all demographics. We've decided to focus on the target group that has the most issues while using kiosks, which will be our primary group, seniors aged 60 and up. After the production, we will focus on creating a universal kiosk that all demographics can easily use.
Our main goal is to modify airport kiosk interfaces and features to adjust to users' needs. We are planning to focus on one airline first, which will be Air Canada. We will merge the check-in and baggage kiosks, which will be placed right beside the baggage area. The interface will have clear steps, less writing, and more images. It will have accessible features such as height adjustability, voice volume control, headphone jacks, and zoom and brightness options. There will also be a red button to call for more assistance. All these features will help in a faster check-in process. The user will be prompted to select check-in and will be taken to a page that allows them either input a ticket reference number or a passport. The user can increase their volume if they need to. After inputting the correct information, the traveling passengers will be displayed. Users need to select each passenger and scan their passports. A green checkmark will confirm their scan. The next screen will display the baggage and seat selection option. Users can select baggage and seating and input the amount of bags that they have. The next page will present a seating chart where users can change their seats or upgrade. Once seats are changed and bags are inputted, users will be prompted to pay. Users will be given the option to print their receipt. The final option will be printing the baggage tags and boarding pass. The interface will display steps on how to put the tags on their bags and use the conveyor belt.
Based on the first release's feedback, modifications will be made and the one-stop kiosk will be introduced to other airlines. That release would allow each airline to have the freedom to choose their own color schemes and visuals that best reflect their brand. In the future, we would consider building the one-stop kiosk into a universal mobile interface and integrate these features into the current Pearson application.